To embed content into an assignment, there are two ways you can do it. You can click on Course Resource, and then click on the arrow to upload resource, and do what you normally do to upload something. Okay, and then you want to go into the activity instructions and just add your instructions. Okay, then hit save. Another way that you can do it is to go to rich text and actually embed it in there by clicking embed content, and do the same thing. Hit course resource, upload, and click embed. And if you do that, you can also put your instructions right above it if you want. And when you do that, it's going to look like this.